Okay, this is to recap the nice ride for the last few days. All right, Joanne, what do you think?
You would think that it's bad.
No,
Miami tennis short.
that's wrong. That's really wrong. I never would do that. I mean,
So what do you say about what happened?
well, I think you got there before I did, but I just happened to be in a different area. That's all. Yeah, never done that. I never know how to sack. Okay, so recap. So what do you think about the trip?
Good.
Good?
You make good.
There you go. With a very little training, that's pretty damn good. How about you, Bo? Good? Bo, you put me down. You let me down, man. You let a girl drop you. Did you really drop him? Did you really drop him?
Ask him.
I don't know. I want to hear from you.
Ask him.
I want to hear from you. Did you drop him?
I want to be a gentlewoman, so I'm not going to say anything.
Okay.
I surrender. I surrender.
Oh, did you surrender?
Yeah.
All right. Honest, so what's your final thought about the ride?
About what?
About the ride!
Well, we met a new guy. His name is Houdini. He just disappeared.
Don't worry about the Houdini stuff.
And then he shows up in a different place before everybody else. That's Houdini for you.
Hey,
He's also known. He's also known as Hugh DePio.
but I tell you what, I did great. I did great, and then they're jealous. They're so jealous of me. You know, I perform well, but I pay for it. My knees hurt. What? Oh yeah. Okay, so we'll put together a video and then we'll see. Okay, but here we are at the BP tent. Really nice setup.
Are you gonna have a video of what it looks like inside the sack wagon?
I don't have that video. You think if I do that, you think I'm stupid enough to video it for you? Come on, Hannes. No, I don't. I show you the computer. Man, people are still coming in.
You can do it.
I did it. All right. Sign off and we'll do some more video in the bus.